Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to run a Discord server without admin permission. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to the Discord website or download the application on your phone or computer or laptop device. So I've already downloaded the Discord application. So unfortunately guys, you cannot really raid a Discord server without admin permissions because it's illegal, and if you do it you're gonna be violating their terms of services and it's illegal, so you could lose your account. So yeah guys, it's not safe to do it, so please don't do it. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful for you, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.